Hello, it's Stephen D. from Beard Bushido. Got a great deal for you today. If you're looking to try a number of different scents, maybe try out a new company, but again, you don't want to break the bank, we've got a really good deal for you today, right after the intro. Hello, Whiskered Warriors. Once again, I'm Stephen D. This is Beard Bushido. And today in the dojo, we are taking a look at a sample pack from Monster Flesh and Mane. You can find them at monsterformen.com. About the company, they were founded in 2014, and they do offer a full line of beard care products, including oils, balms, washes, and conditioners. They do have 12 regular scents, plus seasonal and limited edition scents. They offer a monthly subscription service where they have an exclusive scent every month that you can't get any other way. So if that's something you're interested in, if you want that variety, you might want to check that out. Today, we are looking at their beard oil sample pack. It includes 12 5-milliliter bottles. That's one for each of their current scents, and it's about a month's worth of oil. It is $20 plus your shipping. So that arrived in this box, all right, sealed with the little monster sticker. All right, so let's take a look at what we get. All right, it's nicely wrapped. You can see the bubble wrap in there to protect it during shipping. All right. Take a look at that. You know we're going to have fun popping that bubble wrap later. You know it. You're thinking it. All right. Don't pretend you aren't going to do it. All right. All right. Here's the presentation. All right. Comes in a little tin, okay, with the clear window, with the Monster logo sticker. You can see the little individual vials. Okay, they almost look like the vials you'd collect blood in. I think that's a nice touch. All right. And you notice that the artwork is very reminiscent of like the pulp comics from the 1950s, the pre-code horror comics. So you're getting that sort of font, that sort of style of artwork. So very nice. Just initial presentation. If someone were to hand me this as a gift, yeah, I would like that. And especially the little 8-year-old in me that still loved the classic monster movies. I'm excited. I'll be honest. I'm really looking forward to this. So let's open it up, see what we get. All right. So let me, so that this doesn't all fall out on me. There is the inside. You can see they've got the 12 vials lined up. Okay, little Monster card logo. All right. And again, if we pull one out, I don't know how well you can see that. All right. But again, there's individual artwork for each one. All right. It is reminiscent of that, again, pulp magazine, you know, EC comic era artwork. Okay, these are really small, so it's, you probably aren't going to be able to see the artwork on these, but really nice. So again, they have 12 scents. All right. The ingredients, their base is jojoba, almond, and meadow foam oil. Okay, so a nice simple base. And then each of their scents has a different profile. The 12 current scents, you have Bigfoot, which is cedar and licorice. Ghostly Pirate, which is a spiced rum and orange. Vampire Hunter, which is pipe tobacco and spice. Wolfman, which is a pine and clove scent. Zombie Killer, pine, tobacco, and sweet tea. That one sounds interesting. Reaper, which is tea tree and peppermint. That's one of their most popular scents. One that I know I'm probably interested in trying because I really very much like the tea tree and peppermint profile. So I'm looking forward to trying that one. And the Witch Doctor, which is a lime, mandarin orange, vanilla, and coconut, so a very tropical type scent, almost like a mojito. You have Creature, which is cedar, fir, patchouli, bergamot, and frankincense. Okay. You have the Viking, which is cedar and vetiver. The Psycho Clown, which is blood orange and vanilla, so kind of like a old creamsicle type scent. Jack the Ripper, another one of the really popular scents, which is lavender and vanilla. Again, that's a very popular scent profile. And then you have Grave Digger, which is oak moss, vetiver, and citrus. All right. So those are their 12 regular scents. All right. Now I'm just going to pull one out at random to try, I think. And so that's the Reaper. Okay. The Reaper, which is the tea tree and peppermint. All right. So maybe it wasn't quite as random. All right. I admit it. That's a scent profile I really like. All right. Now it does come with this little plastic dropper because the individual vials, as you can see, don't have that. But, oh, that's very nice. It's not as strong a peppermint as I was expecting. Okay, so if you know some people really, that strong peppermint might overwhelm them. Now this one I don't think will. Okay, it's much lighter, okay, than I was expecting. But it's again very clean scent. All right. Doesn't appear to be too heavy. Let's try that. I think I might need just a little bit more. There we go. All right. You can see that. All right. So that's, yeah, that feels like that's a light to medium, I would say. Oh, and it's got a very nice. This is more like a York peppermint patty. It really is. It's not the real heavy peppermint. It's a much lighter peppermint than some of the other oils I've tried, and the tea tree is not overly it's not overpowering on that. Again, it smells like a York peppermint patty. So if you like York peppermint patties, all right, you're going to like this in your beard. Okay, feels good. It does not. It's not weighing my beard down at all on first impressions. All right, very nice scent profile. That's one I'll definitely wear. Definitely that Reaper, the tea tree and peppermint. All right, so very nice. I'm not going to put any of the other ones in today. We've got something planned for that. I'm going to invite some of my brothers-in-law, some friends over. We're going to do a monster beard oil party. So Mad Monster Beard Oil Party. Be looking for that. We'll get a review on all 12 of the scents when we do that party. So look forward to that. I'll post that in updates so that you know when that's coming. All right. Got to schedule that with the boys. May even try to live stream that so that we can get some participation. And all right, very nice. And again, this is one that I think would make an excellent gift. I know I say that a lot, but again, it's true. You know, it's if you know someone in your life that's doing the bearded lifestyle, trying to take good care of their beard, using the oils and the balms, they're gonna enjoy receiving something like this. I know I would. I'd be thrilled to get this as a gift, and for $20, you know, for 12 different scents, you know, a month's worth of oil, you really can't beat that. The artwork is great. That initial scent that I've tried, I really enjoyed, so I'm looking forward to trying the others as well. All right. Get that cleaned out. I have to clean that later so that we're not mixing the oils together. All right. But again, just that tin. I'm a mark for anything that comes in a tin where I can reuse the tin when it's empty or when I can display it. So yeah, I admit it. I'm a mark for this. I was really excited to get it. I'm really happy I did. I think if you buy it for yourself, you'll be happy with it. If you buy it as a gift, the receiver is going to be happy with it. So again, that is the Monster Beard Oil Sample Pack, and that gets a big thumbs up from me. Thank you once again. If you made it to the end of the video, we do appreciate you sticking it out with us. Hope you enjoyed the review, and if you can, please leave us a comment. Give us the thumbs up, thumbs down. If you do give us a thumbs down, please let us know why. Let us know what we can do better. Let me know what I can do to earn your subscription. Any direction you have with the channel helps us out. So please, again, like, subscribe, comment. Most of all, if you know anyone that's bearded and into this lifestyle, share this video, pass it along. We certainly would appreciate it. And again, as always, stay safe, take care of yourself, and keep walking the whiskered path.